Hey guys, this is everybody's most long-awaited apartment tour, and it's about 3 weeks in now, just settling in, and I'm actually getting ready for dinner, but it's okay. We're just gonna start right here from the front door. Okay, so right here from the front door, I have my bin and my recyclables. So these are my plastics, as you can see. That trash can was provided by the apartment, but it's actually useless. Look at how tiny it is compared to my actual bin. So here I just have a bunch of towels. This is where I keep my paper bags, air spray, air fresheners, and the disinfectants. Cutlery goes in there. Pots and pans and blenders and steamers. And then in here is everyone's favorite place, is the fridge. That's the fridge. Here I just have my kettle steamer thing where I dry my stuff. I'm drinking this water using the bread for dinner, and this is the stove, or the electric stove. Sink. In here, just some more boxes and seasoning and stuff like that. And here we have my plates and my cups and my tea, gummies, health vitamin gummies and stuff. So this area is where I put my shoes and my cardboard recyclables. I really don't know where the bin is, but I know they have it, so I'm leaving it here. Just a random bag of stuff that I need to refund. My backpack, my 2 jackets. Moving on, as every Asian person has the clothes rack where, I don't know, I just put it there. My bag, I just came home from the groceries. Yes, just came home from the groceries. This bag needs to disappear. This is my table. So here I have some receipts, random crap, gummies, Panadol, Strepsils, candle, lighter for the candle, calendar, pen holder, a weird Kinder thing, eraser, spare phone. Moving on, these are my charging things. As you can see, on the roof we have a light. The cloud light is a bit big for the hangers, but it's very bright, as you can see, so I'm just gonna turn it on now. It's a nice cloud, it's very bright. Then we have a sofa, which we bought these towel things from Decathlon. They cover the sofa pretty well. I tend to put my head here and my foot on this side. That's why there's no towel covering this side. Blanket for, I don't know, when I sit on the sofa. A table. Here I just have some bags, my laundry basket for clean clothes, vacuum cleaner. These are the heaters, drying rack. These are the cabinets provided. So here I have random cabinet for, I don't know what's inside, just a screwdriver and some pen ink and spare keys. My yearbook, folders, the steamer box, some spare bags. This is a tin of, just a tin really. Nail polish and stuff, wet wipes, Panadol, more Panadol, and more snacks. Here is just random boxes. Sunglasses, measuring tape, Dutch Amsterdam guidebook and stuff, weird towels, umbrella, charging things, and that's about it. This is the table that I use when I put on my bed. It's my bed table thing. Like when I want to eat on my bed, browse laptop on my bed, I just put this whole table on my bed. Watch. Just need to flex this nice watch here. Whiteboard marker. Giant mirror. I look like a hobo. This is literally the pants that I wear at home. These are the clothes I wore outside today, but I just changed my pants because these are comfortable. So this is the giant mirror, as you can see. These are one of the hooks. The hooks here that you can move the hooks. So obviously I have my dream catcher in the middle, and this is my bed. It's very nice. I just put this on for decoration because I really don't know what to do with it. It's so small it can't be used as a blanket, so I'm just, decoration. So that's my bed. These are more of my decorative pillows. Over there is like Miffy, Elmo, and my lobster. Wait, there's my lobster. Yep, okay, here. This side is my unicorn, and Angel is like, there. Perfect. That's my bed. Here we have my travel pillow, my UNS double UNSW global koala that they gave me. Shark that I got from Korea. These I got from Japan. They're like squishy animals, but I like to keep them in a box. This is I think this is Oofy in a Disney bag to preserve the smell. My photo album where I keep memories of my favorite photos. So this is the light, and if you turn it on, it's pretty bright. It's pretty bright. There's anti-anemic pills, guardian angel, random decorative thing, eye drops, mosquito things, photos, light box, bracelet, earphones. These are broken. I need to like throw these away. My fan. I just want to show everyone my very cute salamander cable bite. Look at how cute it is. It's not a salamander, it's an axolotl. Learned that in vacation Bible school. Hand cream, band-aids, more Peraton. These are my cables, my iPad, 2 sprays from the brand Urban Happiness. These are the on-the-go ones. I love this brand. Here is my bed mat, so when I get off the bed, I don't instantly wear my slippers. I step around here and then I get on my slippers, so normally my slippers are like over there. So this is just a nice decorative use again. So now I'm wearing my slippers, I go over that thing. There's another part in the bottom. I don't know why I need it, so you know, this part, as you can see, extends out so it's closer to the bed. So this is where I put all my stuff. Moving on, here I have my removable sticky whiteboard somewhat. So it's not magnetic, it's just literally a white, like you can put markers on it and it rubs off. So and then we're back here. This is the mirror. Hi. And then over here is more of these hooks, just 2 of them. You can move them according to how you want them. So here I just have a random light that switches on. Yeah, like that. So this is a Rapunzel light. So that's very nice. Here are my wardrobes. So in this wardrobe, I just have a bunch of random crap, like stuff I wear, robes, socks, caps, towels, travel cubes and stuff. So kitchen towels, clean kitchen towels, hair towels. This one is better. So this is how it looks like. I have a bunch of masks, hair, combs, shower gels and stuff here. And then over here, I have my my clothes, like actual clothes. So at the bottom is the iron board. These are my thick jackets. As you can see, my thick winter coats, hoodies, fall clothes, summer clothes. These are my bags up here. So yep, that's all I have in here. Moving on to the bathroom. So we have this giant mirror. It's literally massive. Never had a mirror this big in my life. It's even bigger than the one in Thailand. Here we have the sink. I just have a toothpaste, a cup, and a hand wash. It's a nice cup. For bedtime, look, Tigger's wearing, oh, I was about to say Tigger's wearing a cap, but I realized it's Eeyore's ear, so now we know. Here is a tray thing that my mom built for me from IKEA. Here I have a face towel, my thing for the hair towel, body towel, laundry basket for dark clothes and light colored clothes. I have 2 towels so that 2 floor mats, so when I come out I just don't stain the whole black thing with white lime stains. Here's the tiny bin, my shower, the anti-slip mat, the window cleaning thing, face wash, shower gel, body wash, very nice toilet, the scrubby thing, and toilet paper, of course. I have a stool in case I'm short and I can't reach anything. This is like spare stuff, like extra stuff, so that includes face wash, more body washes. I don't know why there's a toilet roll here when there's toilet roll there, but okay. Here we have stuff that I use from time to time, foundations, sprays, sunscreen, more face lotions, contact lenses, more Panadol. So yeah, that's basically it. Now we're moving back out to the nice place. So this basically sums up my room tour, guys, or my apartment tour, because this is literally my whole apartment. So I hope you guys like it. I really like how it is right now. It's clean. It's the only presentable apartment that I have so far, apart from the one in Thailand. Can't, like the one back home in Hong Kong. It's just, you've probably never really seen it apart from one part of the living room. So this is my whole apartment, guys. Hope you guys like it. And see you guys next time. Bye. By the way, I just want to say that I just realized, but the clouds look super nice. Look at that.